Once long ago in ancient China lived a girl named Yeh Hsien whose mother died and her father remarried. Yeh Hsien's mother was very kind to her, but once her father died, her stepmother began to treat her very badly. Her stepmother made poor Yeh Hsien do all the work around the house and barely gave enough food to live on.
Yeh Hsien! Yeh Hsien! What do you think you're doing?
I was getting something to eat.
Who told you you can eat?
I haven't eaten all day.
All day? The sun just came up.
I haven't eaten last night either.
Eat. That's all you think about. Now I'm thirsty.
I can get you some water.
Not that water. I want water from the lake that's on the other side of that mountain.
But it's 10 miles away.
Then you better start walking, because I'm thirsty.
But...
And if you catch anything in that bucket, you better not let it go, you understand?
God, all I ever get is water.
Little girl, please spare my life.
A
Throw me
fish.
back in the water, please.
I'm sorry, little red fish. My stepmother said to bring anything that I caught in the bucket to her. If we don't, she'll punish me.
Well, how will she know if you just don't tell her?
But isn't not telling her the same as lying?
How about this? Reach into my mouth and give her what you find.
A silver ring! Stepmother would love this.
Thank you, little girl. If you ever need anything in the future, come back and find me. I shall grant your heart's desire.